It's that time of year again. So today I'm heading up to Poughkeepsie, New York, just like we did last year where we had that huge bonfire / camping. And we're doing it again this weekend. So I'm about to get ready to leave. I have my truck packed and a lot of stuff, guys, a lot of stuff. Way more stuff than I had the last time. Let me show you guys. So much stuff here. I'm hoping to find a really nice spot where we're gonna set up the tent. I'm actually taking 4 tents with me today. And hopefully we can find a really nice spot where we're able to set up all 4 tents so we could have this massive tent set up in the woods today. So my truck is packed. It can't take any more things. The trailer is packed. Hopefully nothing flies away. I try to strap down everything as much as I can. So I'm about to hit the road, guys. Hopefully this weekend it's gonna be epic and everything's gonna go well. So far I don't see any rain. It says it should be a beautiful weekend. I think the temperature should go up to maybe about 70 degrees, both Saturday and Sunday. Actually, today is Friday, and we're heading out there today to set up. And the bonfire and fireworks is happening tomorrow night, which is Saturday. So hopefully the weather holds up and everything goes as planned. And we're gonna have an amazing time out there with friends and family. And there should be a lot of people this weekend, just like the last time. So I'll take you guys along with me on this trip. Let's get going. Let's make it happen. I'm gonna go make sure everything is secure before I get on the interstate. Make sure nothing's gonna fly out and everything looks okay. Oh man, it took me a while to get the entrance to the property. It has one physical address, but to get to the property, it's on a completely different street. And it's a dirt road that you gotta drive through maybe at least half a mile to a mile to where the property is. All right, so we have 3 tents here already. There are 2 small ones over here, and we have 1 down here. So I'm gonna scope out the place to see the best area so we can set up. We need a large area to set up the tents. Let's see. Looks like here might be the best location, but I don't know, maybe somewhere here. Or maybe around here might be the best location. Yeah, somewhere here. What are we cooking? Corn?
Yeah, corn and some peppers.
Vegetables.
Yeah. What you guys having?
What's that?
What are you guys having?
We had chicken earlier.
Yeah, chicken earlier.
And we had some stew.
You made some stew too?
Yeah.
Nice.
What?
Yeah. I don't want to go either.
You went to fresh already?
Fresh, I told you Kimba wasn't up into them things.
I've never been to a club.
Oh. I never been to a club back home.
When the parish
You never been to a club back in St. Lucia?
When I was younger, growing up.
Yeah?
Quincy father had me on strict manners.
What about Tony?
Carnival.
Tony?
Never went to a club.
With Tony?
Only the field. Maybe you could even get to the field at the school.
See what was happening earlier, man. You know.
Akel has set that up, you know. That's why he stayed up here. You know?
Yeah, true. I was saying something.
Yeah, that's a setup.
You know where I'm going,
Yeah, I think Akel get money for that. Eh?
Yo.
All the cocoa tea that is on the fire.
It wasn't cocoa tea, we asked us soup.
Cocoa tea?
No, we have cocoa tea. We have the soup though.
We don't have cocoa tea, safe.
They have cocoa tea.
All the soup.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, of course. After all that, chakalaka.
Okay, why do you think you're getting licks for losing the game?
Hey, shakalaka.
Yo, nothing can go in there. Here are someone right next to them there, so.
So.
When they turn left, they see someone just like that with the eyes. Customer gonna be like, not 1 meter away.
2 days,
You say even if it's a bare self.
We don't see no deer,
Yeah.
we don't see no beer,
Yeah.
we don't see nothing.
From here?
I heard Jamaica.
We don't use evaporated. We don't use coconut milk in our cocoa.
Well, you see, a lot of
use
y'all make it
evaporated
different
milk.
because Anne-Marie uses coconut.
We use bay leaf. We use the star things, and we boil everything. And we grate on the cocoa.
What's the starting? The star.
Oh, the galaxy. They use the galaxy.
The galaxy?
No.
The star, the moon?
Yeah, the star.
I forget the name of it. Yeah.
I know.
We use that too.
Nita, you got it wrong. You got it wrong, Nita.
You got it wrong. This
That thing traumatized my cousin there, boy.
Hold on. What we like? Does she get a bear?
Come in,
Cocoa tea.
Is the cocoa
Cocoa tea we like.
Traumatized shit. And it's bubbling.
Oh, cause I have to set up therapy for you for tonight.
don't know what y'all have some. You're flying now.
There are some sinkholes that happen. There's tons of water. Oh yeah, over there. You found it, right? Yeah.
Where's the black pepper and salt and things like that?
I did to so many of my friends.
Really?
They're like, you should have told me. I said, listen, let me go check the seed, and then if it happens that I like it, maybe next year you'll come.
Yeah.
No heat, nothing. I don't know how to put the shit on. He did it. And we had to try to figure it out. I'm like, nah.
So y'all did last night?
Yeah. I was able because you showed me what you did. So I did mine, but I didn't remember what. I didn't see when Kimber did his. So I was like, let's try to figure this shit out. And we have another thing for
Just pull the handle. Just pull the handle apart.
Billy who?
Billy,
Shit, we'd be all dead, man.
you're the survival master.
We'd have been dead, kid.
Hello, why you trying the cocoa tea?
Yeah, was you ready?
Of course.
Alright, let me just.
What?
Ready?
So come, don't leave here. Come. You spend your food, right? Survive. That's a solution.
Boulder.
What's going on, bud? You look sad, man. You're good?
I'm chilling, man.
You guys could get stuff from us when we're done cooking if you guys want.
Oh, okay, man.
Yeah.
No, we're about to actually get out. I'm waiting for him to come back. We're gonna get out.
Oh, you guys leaving?
Yeah, we're gonna go.
Oh, you're not waiting for the party tonight?
Oh no, we're going to climb.
Oh, you guys going to climb?
Yeah, then we're gonna come back.
Okay, cool. I thought you were leaving the place.
No.
Well, we're not see Johnson.
So I don't think I should. I don't think I should look bad when I turn 50 to look for something young. You're 20. My 35. My 35. Yeah.
You're watching me. You just want me to say something. I'm not saying nothing this morning.
Good morning.
Don't say that twice. Don't say that twice, you know, boy.
Hold on. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you try to top that, but you can't top that. I'm gonna do a double. Go ahead. Ooh, double warming.
You almost got it, baby. It's my turn. We're gonna knock you out the box. You ready? Back up. That's the foot.
bag and it goes in, it still counts. Okay. So you should go. You should try that.
I don't know why is you bending. Why you bending down?
No, to put the stick.
No, this is good.
I said, oh.
Wow, only winners play this have a dominoes, man.
Done. Very good paper, very well done. Spectacular. Yes. So I would say Sandman is one of the 10 my 10 favorites.
My God, I still can't do it.
Yeah, you know what?
For real?
Guess what? I can't do anything either.
Oh, man.
She said, I like the way you look at me, I'm screaming. You're killing me, the things that you do, you are like you love me, get out, bend it up for me.
Put your pants down,
Bend it up for me. Get out, bend it up for me. Let me get up, do this, bend it up for me.
Yeah, man, we're getting ready to start the party. Everybody is slowly gathering here, having a little bit of food and a little bit of drinks. In a couple more minutes, we're gonna light up the bonfire and get this party going. Check this pile of wood, guys. This is a huge pile of wood. I'm gonna light that up in a few minutes. Look at so much more wood we have here to burn down tonight. All of this is gonna be burned down tonight. So we're gonna be here all night. This party gonna be going for a while.
Everybody get away! I'm not kidding! Get away!
Nothing personalized, but I'm set on the water bucket.
Alright, everybody get away! I mean, twice as far as everybody's standing.
Clear everything out.
Please!
They're not listening.
Everybody get away!
Good morning, guys. So we have come to the end of our trip. Today's Sunday. Right now it's about 7:30 in the morning. Most people are still sleeping. Some people just getting up now to head to the bathroom. But there was so many people here last night. Probably over 300 people. There's cars everywhere. Some people slept in the car. Some people just slept on the bare ground in their sleeping bag. But so many people showed up here last night. The fireworks was amazing. The bonfire, oh my God. It was so much bigger than last year. But, and again, a lot more people turned up here than what we had last year. And it was amazing, beautiful. We almost ran out of space for cars. People camping everywhere, just pitched their little tents everywhere. Everybody was friendly. There was no issues with anybody. There was no fights. Everybody was just having a good time. We have all types of tents, shapes, colors. It's like a rainbow out here in the woods.
Billion Visions present photos.